Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of Waxmas. So as you can see, we've got this patient's come in with a very blocked up ear. We're using the standard size ulnar tube here to clear. Can you see the consistency of this this wax? Very, very sticky, thick consistency here. Not particularly solid. Always a little bit more difficult to suction this type of wax in because it's so sticky. It sticks to the inside of the tube and it tends to block it up really quickly and easily. So it's a lot of sort of in and out of the ear here. What we can see is as we're pulling away from the sides, we're just trying to unstick the wax from the canal walls here, lifting it and moving it, but you can see just how thin that consistency is. I know you hate me analogizing to foodstuffs, but if you ever had treacle tart, this is something that we have here in the UK. I'm not sure about the US, but it's the kind of feeling that it's that kind of consistency. It's soft but sticky. So I've introduced a little bit of olive oil into the ear canal, but unfortunately the canal entrance is quite narrow, so it's not really getting down to where I need it to. If the olive oil was actually getting down this far, then it would reduce the stickiness to the outside edge of the wax and it would be a lot easier to remove. But you can see we've just got a lot of very thin material getting sucked into the end of the Zollner tube here. Trying to unstick the side. Patient's been suffering with reduced hearing, lots of popping, crackling noises as well, which isn't always a sign of wax, but you can get, especially with this sticky type wax, where it moves back and forth and sticks to the canals. Feeling very blocked up in the morning, but getting better during the day. All these are quite normal symptoms for wax as well. So just slowly unpeeling. I'm aiming a lot for this bottom section here because I'm trying to lift up the wax so that we get it away from that deeper section of the canal. Just pulling down across here from the top left, pulling in to the center there of the wax. Can you see how difficult, because as soon as you try and get a grip on this, it starts folding into the suction tube, but it's pulling away from it's trying to pull it all away from the canal walls enough that we can get a look at the eardrum as well, because this is really deep. You can see where we're going in with the suction tube. It's actually drawing the olive oil deeper into the canal. Trying to pull from the top now. Just try to detach it from all sides here, really. I can just see a little glimpse of blue to the right hand side of the suction tube. As this moves, you'll see a little bit of oil passed over the screen. There's a little glimpse of blue there. That's the actual eardrum itself. You can just see it, a little glimpse of it there as we go in. See to the right hand side here, you'll see just that little glimpse of blue. So we can see we're really close to the eardrum now. We've got a little bit of visual to the eardrum. So I'm trying to peel this. You can see the oils managed to actually work down to this section now. So there we go. See, it's starting to pull away from the eardrum now. It's just starting to fold into the suction. We can see we're getting a little bit of movement to that whole section. A bit of oil passing along. There's a little hair that's spanning across the outer part of the ear canal that's got a bit of oil on it. So every time that the endoscope passes through, it picks up a little bit of oil. Now, as we pull down from the top, see, we're just getting a bit of movement to this central section of wax here. So everything is just starting to loosen up a little bit in here now. Same for that bottom section again. There we go. See that smoother polished side? You know you're lifting a piece that's been stuck against the canal wall and you've got that really smooth edge to it. There we are, just trying to pull this section. Here we go. You can see it's pulled that section out from deeper in the canal. I just want to clear the camera again because the view is starting to go, so we get that little hair again. Let's hold on to this section now. A little bit of wiggling. Just slowing this down so you can see this come out. There we go, out it pops. There's that little blockage there. So if we go and take a look in here again, now you'll be able to see most of the eardrum now, which is great. I've just got this piece of wax that's stuck to the top, so the roof of the canal wall here. Very slowly try to tease this off. Go back in now. You can see that darker section of wax there. Trying to get it, there we go. It's folding that in, detaching it from the left canal wall. There you go. That's going to pull it down from the top as well. There we are. A bit stuck to the right hand side as it came away, but you'll be able to see this section coming away. There you go. So that's the top section. You could see there as we pulled it down, it's stuck to the right hand canal wall. So there's probably a little bit stuck there. You can just see the edge of it there. It's very, very thin. It's not going to cause any problems as far as the hearing is concerned. So we're just going to try and take this away. If it's really sticky or if it's causing the patient any discomfort, we'll leave it there. Now what you can see, we've got to work quite close. Do you see that little flinch there in the camera? So the patient was feeling a little, they could just feel it touching on the canal wall there. Okay, so we won't go any further with that now. We can see the eardrum. We've got a bit of wax stuck to the camera. We'll go back in now. There you go. You can see the eardrum there, all looking nice and healthy. Good light reflex. So this is what we removed. So these are the darker, stickier bits. They, as you try and take them off the suction, they break into pieces then. So you can see we've got a few pieces there. I hope you enjoyed day 3. I shall see you for day 4. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.